straight up.
Vikings, now the Chargers with the Chiefs again, a second straight possession. First down and goal.
No, this is by far worse than the bridge that we had at Mackinac.
This is worse?
Yes, by far.
Why do you say that?
It's super tight and it feels weird. Look at the view though. And I feel like I'm in the other lane.
You're doing great. Shrek and Fiona aren't scraping the side.
Close.
You're doing good. Don't have any scratches on them. It is beautiful. We're coming out here to stay on an island. That's fun.
Why? If you're making the causeway, just make it a little bigger. Why make it narrow? Makes no sense to me.
Oh, but look at the view.
I want to take this moment to say welcome to Switch It Up. I don't think I've ever been this confused. We are, before we start this adventure, we are in, is it Acadia or Arcadia? Acadia. Acadia National Park. And apparently it's a big deal. We're out here in Maine. I have no idea, but there's a lot of people and a lot of people running around trying to position themselves to do whatever they're doing today. And I am totally in the dark. So if you're like me, you can appreciate that. Sheila's got this thing. She's got a ton of stuff we're gonna do today. She said it's gonna be a busy day.
Busy day.
So let's go on this journey. I figured I'd do this intro while I'm in my state of confusion because I have no expectations whatsoever. But I'm still the same guy that didn't even know Glacier National Park existed. So.
He lives under a rock.
I don't live under a rock. So we're gonna roll this intro. We're gonna get this adventure started and hopefully it doesn't disappoint you or I.
Oh, I could take the ferry. No. Roll the intro. Let's go.
A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
Look at all those people. Everyone is waiting to do something.
Oh, that's really pretty. Let's go see that. Here's our code.
What are we doing first?
We're driving up Cadillac Mountain. You had to get a timed entry for that on the website, but here we go.
What is it?
It's a road to the summit for the overlooks. So we're gonna stop and look.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin. All in, you got the
Whew, it's a little chilly up here.
It's called a summit for a reason.
There is, yes, summits tend to be a little chilly, but the views walking around this are absolutely incredible. So, this is a win, except for the chilliness. They closed this down, I think, on October 19th this year. I can see why it would probably get a little colder. These views are incredible, though.
Yeah, and you can see down in the valley there, some trees, the leaves are just changing.
This is kind of like trying to capture the Grand Canyon through a camera. You just cannot, you can't fathom the magnitude and how beautiful it is. It just doesn't translate.
Islands, there's so many little islands.
Yeah, it's so pretty though. Down walking around. Sheila, give a fun tip. What's a fun tip about this lovely place up here?
You mean a fun fact?
Yeah, fun fact. We need fun fact.
The fun fact is year, Cadillac Mountain Summit is the first place in the United States to see the sunrise. So it's a very, there's a lot of people that come up first thing in the morning to catch the sunrise. I asked Todd if he'd be interested in that.
No, because we're an hour and 20 minutes away from here, and we would have had to get up at 4 a.m. to drive this far to get you. So I'm sorry, peeps. I couldn't do it. I couldn't.
But that is fun fact.
Switch it up!
Switch it up!
What does he know? Look at this, just out of nowhere.
We're roadsmiths, and we're nobody, but we're somebody.
You are somebody.
We're somebody now. How are you guys?
Nice to meet you.
How'd you see it? Did you just see us?
I saw that.
Oh, yeah, we stick out. Your husband spotted us.
I gotta say it though. Hang on a second.
Okay.
Roll the intro.
That's awesome.
No, it's awesome.
Do you have your own YouTube channel then?
We do. We just got started this year, and we got 4 videos out. Yeah, a few months ago.
Yeah.
We got 4 videos out. But it's guys like.
What's the channel?
We're called the Roadsmiths.
The Roadsmiths.
One word, the Roadsmiths.
Okay,
Awesome.
we'll have to check it out.
Check it out, and it's kind of funny because I think we've been in the same place you guys have been, and
Just
we
kinda
follow
follow
all the,
around.
Yeah.
KYD, changing lanes,
Yeah.
everybody else. So
Do you have your Chad bracelet? The What Would Chad Do bracelet?
No,
You need a bracelet.
I haven't
We're gonna
collected
make
all
those.
the toys yet. I haven't got all the toys. So I need effective.
Close your eyes. Get some.
That you said this would be a good idea.
Well, I heard it was supposed to be good and fun.
Okay, just reminding you.
Okay. I'm glad you're reminding me.
Okay.
Is this an actual trail?
Yep.
Seriously. This is the trail?
Yep.
Seems to be a lot of boulders. Who knew this was in Arcadia?
Acadia.
Acadia. I don't know where I am. How about Maine? I thought Maine was full of like beaches and oceans.
I think it is.
Where did mountains and boulders come into play? Whew. Hey Sheila,
Yep.
I found the blue dot.
Good.
The blue dot means something. It means we're on the right path. Something like that.
Does that say 3 miles? Is that what that says?
Falls on this mountain.
Oh, this is not a day for Sheila to have vertigo.
Falls on this mountain have resulted in serious injury and death. This is not for small children. How bad can it be? How bad can it be, dear?
It doesn't look like it's very bad.
It doesn't look bad.
Okay.
I'm gonna let these people pass. I'm not a big fan of hiking, but hiking tends to give the best views of everything around you. There's Sandy Beach down there. Very pretty.
The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay.
What if that comes loose? Whew. Oh, our daughter Allison would not be able to do that.
It's way too bright. We're gonna be okay.
No, to our children, right?
Right?
The,
Wait, what are you gonna tell them?
the life insurance policy limits say at the bank.
How's that going? I don't think people can really get the majesty of this event.
Oh, I found the blue.
Close your eyes. Get some
I need your hand.
Come on, you do it.
sight.
But I feel like I'm going to be wobbly.
You might be.
Well, this isn't a place I can be wobbly.
Isn't this fun, Sheila? Isn't this is fun?
This is the first time I think I've heard you say heck is fun.
This is because it's challenging and adventurous and dangerous. Maybe I just need more danger. All the other stuff's not danger.
So let me get this straight. You'd rather be up at the edge of the cliff than look at a crab doing this thing.
Yeah, I would.
We've already established this.
Yeah, we have lots of issues. Oh, I don't know. That is fabulous.
No, it's worse down. Trust me, you don't want to go down. Yeah, yeah. Only way is up, but you'll be so proud of yourself.
I understand.
Or a lighthouse and the other.
Welcome to BeeHive Summit. We've summited.
That was a rough one. That was.
Kilimanjaro was on my bucket list, but Sheila said I'd never be able to accomplish it because I'm not in shape.
I didn't say never. I just said you should start training.
I know. But Kilimanjaro, wouldn't that be cool?
Yeah, not for me.
This is only 520 feet. I don't think that's a lot of training. Victory! To the left. I think the crazy part is this view. Like, it's 360 degrees. It is, it's amazing. It's half mile left. It's a little easier. So, today's snack is brought to you by Belvita. I'm partial to the cranberry ones. It sure is pretty. It's not as rocky on this side. I will say, this is probably one of my favorite hikes we've done.
Because it was dangerous.
Yeah, new side of Todd. Although, working on a ladder and construction, house painting, all that stuff for 20 plus years. Ladders, being on the side of things, looking, for some reason that doesn't bother me at all. Did roofing for the last 7 years. Never really made me nervous, so maybe that's up my alley. I need to do some like bungee jumping and like that kind of stuff. Some cliff jumping.
I'd do paragliding.
We could do paragliding. Where do you do that at?
I don't know. That'd be fun.
Yeah. Except that video where the guy forgot to get strapped in. Oh my goodness, that was like 10 minutes of scariness, but
I wouldn't forget to get strapped in.
I'd check my straps because I'm too paranoid. Me too. Okay. We're leaving here and we're going to
Did you find a snack in your bag?
Belvita today. We're heading down to, what is it, Thunder Hole?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then to BeeHive.
Sorry. And then to BeeHive.
For dinner.
BeeHive for dinner?
And then some lighthouse.
Okay.
That's the rest of the afternoon.
Okay. First we have to get down.
Yeah. It's only a mile.
Well, it's only like a half mile left. Anyway, for the win. We had to park 1.5 miles up the road to come back. So now we get to pedal all the way back down. Saves us some time. Again, I love that hack. I love bringing the electric bikes. So. Don't lose your hat. This has actually got a really good little feel to it, doesn't it?
Yes, we are in Bar Harbor, and it does have a great, I don't know, just cool little town feel. There is lobster everything everywhere.
Everything,
though.
lobster on, lobster in everything.
Yes, salads and stews and rolls and
Macs and
lobster everywhere. Pots, lobster pots. So if you like lobster, this would be the place to come. What in the world is a whoopie? We're not from here, obviously.
They are amazing, and they are like a cake with buttercream inside.
Okay.
Are those blueberry whoopies?
Blueberry whoopie.
Is that what those are?
Yeah.
Huh.
They are the best.
It's for breakfast?
Breakfast or dinner.
It's got like icing on the inside, yes?
Yeah.
Buttercream, so I wouldn't think it'd be for breakfast.
Oh. It's a blueberry, so.
Or they say when in Rome, but we don't like lobster, so we went with another main thing.
Okay. So we got our whoopies.
I've never had a whoopie before.
I'm trying so hard not to make some sort of crack comment. I really am.
Are you channeling your 7-year-old boy?
Yeah, I am channeling my 10-year-old self.
Okay.
So.
I didn't know it
At
was
least
a
we
thing
didn't
in
have
Maine.
to. We didn't have to make whoopie.
What was that show? It was like a newlywed show. That was
I don't know. That's what they
said.
said in the the newlywed game show.
Game show all the
Yes.
time.
Oh my gosh.
Where's the most ironic place you have ever made whoopie?
It's a family channel. I'm trying so hard. We're gonna go home.
You got a pumpkin whoopie.
I'm getting some pumpkin whoopie tonight. We made it home. Sheila, can we have some whoopie?
Really, Todd? I thought you were gonna get rid of your 10-year-old boy self.
Come on, we gotta try the whoopie to close out this wonderful vlog today.
All right, I'm putting in
Do you
a
want-
new adventure sticker.
Oh,
so
she's
hold
putting
on.
it. Shh. She's putting in the new adventure sticker.
The coordinates.
The
there.
coordinates are in. Which whoopie are we doing? Don't look at me that way. Where are you going?
I gotta get it out of here.
Okay, so
You can come over here.
there's not much room in this kitchen. It looks big. Okay, so I wanted the pumpkin. It kind of looks like pumpkin pie in a way.
What?
Well, I mean, look at this.
It does not look like a pumpkin
Yeah, it does.
pie. All right, you say so.
This one is a blueberry. Okay, so how are we gonna do this?
I'm cutting it.
Oh, we're gonna cut it. Are you eating half of that one? Oh, we're doing quarters. Are we on a diet?
You can eat the whole thing, but you need to try it. So
Okay.
I'm gonna try your pumpkin.
So, it's got the yummy goodness and the filling. It won't focus on this. What do you think, Kim?
I don't know.
Oh, well, you try first. Sheila has like a food. If we were on like Amazing Race together, she wouldn't do well. It's very pumpkin-y. I don't know what it tastes like.
Tastes like pumpkin cake.
A pumpkin cake with some frosting in the middle. Mm-hmm. I guess that's a good way to end this little excursion today.
I like the cake. I'm not sure about the frosting part. But hey, we tried a Whoopie.
We made Whoopie. We didn't make Whoopie. No, we had Whoopie.
No.
Oh no.
We tasted a Whoopie pie.
Yeah.
A Whoopie pie.
Yes. It's a good. We're ending this on this note while we still can.
We're out with this. This is your.
We don't know if we're out.
Oh, we're just done for today.
Maybe.
The magic of editing.